Hello, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve June Leetcode challenge problem, that is a very popular problem, that is longest substring without repeating character. So there is an given a string and we'll have to find the longest substring length without any repeating character. So basically there is an example, there is A B C A B C B B. So here is basically the non-repeating longest substring, there is ABC. So basically the length is, that's why there is 3 here. And the example 2 is B and B, that is 5 times B. So there are all are repeating, so basically the answer is A, that is one substring, that is only B. So how I am trying to solve this, let's find that. Let's take the example first, that is ABC BB, that is A B C A B C B and B. So basically my approach is that I have been pointing that starting pointer, that is I, as well as the j pointer is also starting from I, and I have been initializing a variable which is maximum, which will count that what is the maximum length of the substring. So initially that is 0. So my approach is that first I have been taking an set. Basically first I have been taking an set. So set is basically that there is no duplicate value. So first I have been putting that value. Hold on. That A has been putting there, and the i's pointer has been incrementing. Now B, now that is B. So B has been putting there. Now C has been going there, and the I has going to there. Now when I have been pointing that the A has been already found in the set. So in that situation the A will be basically the, I mean that what is the position of that, the zeroth position. Basically the zeroth position has been present that A. So in that situation basically A will be deducting from here, and J will be pointing there. J will be pointing there right now. So next the that pointer is incrementing there, and now for that B. So same here, that B will be found there. So same S of J, basically 0 of S of 1, which is that B. So B will be deleted from the set. And I was forgot that. So I initially that I have been initializing maximum value. So every iteration will have to checking that I minus j plus 1. So basically why that is happening, basically I is the starting at this the ending pointer, and the j will be the starting pointer. So in between that we'll have to finding the length of the substring which has no repeating value. So same here, that that's after that, that is goes to the C, and same here also C has been present there. Then that will be deducted from there, from it will goes to there, and same from that means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So same here, 5 minus that is 3 plus 1. So basically 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. Say in each every time, that means that each every time that will be initializing that will be changing the pointing value. And I am in right now another example I am trying to show, and then after that I will be implementing that problem. The problem is that P W W K E W, that the starting point is there, and the I and the J also same here. So I am an I pointing value and J pointing value starting from there. So basically starting from that 0 and 0, starting from the 0 and 0, and now I have been also initializing a set that is which is not taking any duplicate value, right? Yeah. Then right now I have been checking that P is found in the set or not found. Then P will be entered, and I will be incremented to there. That means I become now 1. So 1 minus 0 plus 1, that is 2. So right now maximum become, and max value also, first one 0 0 plus 1, then 2, and that is 0. Then that in that pointer that is W is inserted, and then it goes to there because W is not present there. So basically 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there has been goes to there 2. So 2 minus, and then after that 1 minus 0, basically the 1 minus 0 plus 1, basically 2. So right now, so I am previously doing the 2, and now that pointer has been presenting there. So but W is already present in the set. So W is already present in the set right now. W is already present in the set. So where is the J pointer? Right now J pointer is at 0. So basically the value is P. So P will be deleting from the set. And J become incremented there. So what is that means 1. Now same W is already present there. So till now the Jth position is that one. So the W is become erased from the set. So right now it will be incremented to there. So the pointing will be there. That is 2. So right now I have been checking that I minus J, that is plus 1, that is 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is 1. So maximum if I have been taking, that will be the 2. Here 1, that is 2 max value. And then after that the W will be inserted there. Same, right now the both are I and J will be the pointing there. Then I will be incremented there. there, I will be incremented there. So k is not present, so k will be inserted there, k will be inserted there, k will be inserted there. Then the k will be inserted there, so basically the 3 and 3 minus 2 plus 1, that is 2. 3 minus that one's 2 and that become 2, and that is also answer as 2. Now that from here that is goes to there, so e is not been present, so that is there, so basically that goes there, and e is not been present, that was inserted, so basically 4 minus 2 plus 1, so basically 3 plus 1, sorry 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3, so it become 3, so maximum is 3. Now the w, so w is already been present, and also j is present there, that is w, so w is there, so it is erased from the set, so erased from the set, and it is incrementing to there, and that one inserted there 5, and so right now that is incrementing to there, so at 3 is, then after that 3 is not present there, 3 is not present, so basically the while loop has been covered, and then the s of I will be inserted there, so basically that inserted there, and the j is, so 5 minus 3 plus 1, that is also 3, so basically the already 3 has been present, so answer will be 3 there, answer will be 3. So basically the substring is basically the KEW or WKE, so that's the substring length maximum without repeating character, so there I have been using the 2 pointer, but I have been totally traversing the array by 1 times, so basically the order of n, basically time complexity, and where n is basically the length of the string, and the space complexity is become, so if the suppose all the value has been same type, there is the example given there, so all are b, so it means the all the value has to be present, so basically that, so maximum order of n where the n is also the length of the cells, so there is the extra space complexity that has been taken there. So right now I have been trying to solve this problem through implementation, so let's watch it. One more thing, hold on, one more thing, that I missed a basic condition, that is suppose there is no string has been present, that means the empty string, so in that situation there will be no such case possible, so in that case that will be direct return 0, so basically we have not calculating any something case, so that's why to implement that, so that's why before implementing I have to say that where is the string size is 0, in that case I will return the directly return 0. So let's implement that. Integer sj, that is equals to string size. First of all I have to check that sj is equals to 0 or not. If 0, then return that is 0. So now first I'll have to take a character set, and I have been taking that I0 and J0 2 pointer, right? And I am also taking an variable that is will checking that the maximum length of the substring which is not repeating. So right now I am doing there, while I is less than sj, character c is equals to s of I, while st dot find say not equals to st dot end. That means that I found the character in the set, so I will return the I will basically I will erase the j pointer value from the set, j pointer value from the set, and the j pointer will be incremented by 1, and after that I will insert the s of I, that means that c also, and after that I will check that if that length will greater than or not the previous one of the length of the non-repeating substring, that is a max of I minus j plus 1, that one, and then after that I plus plus will happen incremented there, and after the while loop I will return the max value. So first check that, it's accepting, and I am also putting another value which is I taking as an example, that is p wwkew. So basically that, yeah, there is 3 there. So right now I am trying to submit that. Let's see that what happened. Yeah, it's got accepted.